Good day, everyone. This is Engine Cadet Hyra Mendoza of Group 1, and I am here to show you the monitoring of electric generating plant using this KONGSBERG simulator, and this is in compliance to EWK2 under Sir Tamayo. So to start the simulator, all we need to click is Shift F1, and then we're just gonna click OK. And here we're gonna double check if our DG1 is running in running condition. So it's all good. Let's proceed to DG2. Okay. So in DG2, we're gonna go ahead and close our discharge valve. And then we're gonna go ahead and open our makeup valve. And we're gonna wait until this reaches at least 45 liters. And while waiting for that, we're just gonna turn on our preheater and then set it to automatic mode. So we're gonna wait for this. Alright, that's already 45 liters, so we can turn that off. Now let's proceed to opening our lube oil filter number 1. Okay, so once that's open, we're gonna try to start our priming pump. So let's try it. If it doesn't run, so it's not running, let's proceed and check our breaker, which we can find in MD73. Emergency switchboard, and just look for DG2LO priming pump, turn that in, and then just go back to DG2 and try to start your LO priming pump again. So if it starts just like this, we can go ahead and set this to automatic mode, and then we're just gonna wait for any alarms. Just keep monitoring. If there will be any alarms, just acknowledge and silence. Okay, so just acknowledge and set to silence. And then we're just gonna go ahead and close our discharge valve, and then we're gonna open our makeup valve. And again, wait for this to set to 45 liters at least. We're just gonna wait for that. Okay, so that's already in 45 liters. Now let's proceed and go to DG2. We're gonna just monitor and check the parameters. Everything looks good. We're just gonna proceed and open our air supply valve, which is in MD05. Uh, I'm sorry, MD59. That's our start air system. Just turn this valve on, our air supply valve going to our DG2. Okay, and then we're gonna check MD05 fuel oil service tanks. We're gonna check our DO supply valve if it's open. So it's already open. So let's go back to DG2 MD76, and we're gonna open shut off valve, and then also FO filter number 1. So once that's opened, we're just gonna start the engine and wait until it becomes stable. Okay, so that is stable now. We're just gonna keep monitoring closely. Okay, there's an alarm. Acknowledge and then just silence. So to rectify the alarm, all we need to do is do a changeover. So to change over, we just need to close filter number 1 and open filter number 2. And you can see this letter M here, which will open up malfunction pages. Just open that up, acknowledge the alarm, and then silence. And then we're just gonna go ahead and reset DGFO filter 1 dirty, DG2FO filter 2 dirty, and our FO pumpware. Okay, so we've reset those three. Close the malfunction page. Um, Change over again. Just close this filter and open this filter again. Okay, so we're just gonna acknowledge that alarm, then set to silence. This will be stable later. So that's for now. Let's proceed to MD70, our electric power plant. Okay, acknowledge. And then here we're just gonna check our DG2 bus bar. Just gonna turn on our voltage control. And then we're gonna proceed to MD01, our seawater system. And then we're just gonna go ahead and open our cooler valve going to the diesel generator number 2, as well as our um, main freshwater cooler shut-off valve. Okay. So once that's opened, we're just gonna start our seawater pump and then set the remote, both pumps. And then after that, we're gonna go to MD10, which is our freshwater system. And then we're just gonna open up our bypass valve. We're gonna start our main pump number 1. Set the remote again, both pumps. Open this main pump as well. Set the remote as well. And then we're gonna monitor both generators. Diesel generator number 1, we're just gonna monitor, and we're gonna check also diesel generator number 2. Okay, so as you can see, the alarm here, it already is stable, so there's no more alarm. Okay, so if there are no problems, we're just gonna proceed to our panel directory, MD102. Okay, our pump control. So here we're just gonna set to automatic all running pumps. So high temperature freshwater pump, circulation pump, supply pump, this one. Okay, everything has been set to automatic. All you need to go is to MD101, our generator control. Okay, now here, since DG1 is already in priority 1, we just need to set DG2 in priority 2 and on automatic mode. So there will be an alarm. Just acknowledge the alarm and then just silence. Then we're gonna go to DG2 and we're gonna go ahead and switch engine to remote. Then we're gonna go to MD10 And then we're gonna stop the auxiliary pump, this one and this one. So we're gonna go back to MD01, the seawater system. We're also gonna stop the auxiliary pumps. Okay, so we're just gonna wait and monitor if there will be any alarms, acknowledge, silence, and rectify. So we're just gonna check DG1 and DG2. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you on our next video. Bye.